Now, I knew from our research that our brain's patterns could be understood through our thinking preferences. And those preferences impact how we make decisions, how we solve problems, and how we think about the future. The basis of that research is the whole brain model. And it's really a metaphor for how our brain works and how we think. And we know from our analysis of millions of HBDI thinking preference assessments that we all have access to all 4 of these thinking areas. But 97% of us actually strongly prefer 1 or 2 or 3 versus all 4. Those thinking preferences impact everything in our day-to-day lives. For example, even something like reacting to an idea about a vacation. So, as I describe how each of these 4 preferences might react to an idea about a vacation, I'd like you to make sure you have your cards. They should look like this, all right? And think about which ones best describe you. Okay, so perhaps you're more of a blue, bottom line kind of thinker, and your reaction to an idea about a vacation might be, how much is this vacation going to cost us? And if you relate to that, okay. Perhaps you're more of a green, chronological thinker. Your first reaction might be, we got to get an itinerary put together, ideally hour by hour. Or maybe you're more of a red, people-oriented thinker, and you might say, let's just get everybody together and talk about it. Let's decide where we want to go together. Or perhaps you're more of a yellow, big picture thinker, and you might say, you know what, why don't we just be spontaneous and figure it out as we go? It's a lot more fun that way. So, which of these best represents your preferred thinking? Pick the Carter cards that best represents that, and let's hold those up and see what we have here in the audience. So hold up the Carter cards and look around the room once they're up. Hold those up. Look around the room, okay? You might check out the people you came with. Okay, so you see we're all different.